whoa, slow down there, buddy. This is our second place where we're staying in Batumi. Just got out of the elevator and I'm gonna head down there, midway down that hallway. It's our unit, but I wanted to record this elevator situation really quickly. Look at that, nice. So this unit is actually $30 per night. We booked it for 2 nights. The last place that we were at, we booked it for, we were there for 4 nights. And the light should be censored. There we go, boom. So $30 a night. Our first place was for 4 nights at $35 a night. Let there be no light. Okay, awesome. So this is about $5 cheaper. We are still like across the street from the beach and Batumi Beach Boulevard, surrounded by restaurants, everything pretty much. Almost there. This is a different intro to my other video tours. I think this is, nope, that's not our unit, wait. So it blew my mind. I took a quick look there. I just walked around really quickly and I was like, oh my God, I gotta record this right now. Get this tour out of the way. $30. All right? $30 a night. We're here for 2 nights. I immediately told my girlfriend, look, just please verify that we can book for another night. All right, so here we go. I walk in. My bag is behind the door, you can see. So right there, right as you get in, as you walk in, right at the entrance, you got storage. Right? I'm gonna try to do a really good job this time. It's unfiltered, so no sweats. No sweats, like I'm wearing sweats. I mean, no worries. No worry, man. Okay, so check this out. This is like, I'm gonna stop talking just so you can see, and then I'll point out a few things. So this door is a door to the bathroom. Okay, that is a refrigerator. Okay, that's number 1. We've got a cooktop. Right. Massive amount of space, right? Flat screen TV on the wall. The view, you check out the view in just a sec. Look at that. Hey, babes.
Hello.
All right, she booked this place. Blew my mind. Look at this. They even have like another bed.
There's
right?
3 beds.
There are 3 beds. We're gonna check that out in just a sec. 3 beds total. Wait, gotta get the light. Boom, there's light. All right. So there's a washer. We need that because my clothes be stinky inky after a workout, which we've been running in the mornings since we arrived 4 days ago. All right. So so I showed you 1 refrigerator, right? So let's do that again so you can see it's real. There's 1 refrigerator, right? Here's the second refrigerator to the right of the washer. It's another refrigerator. Let's open it. I hope it's working. Yep, that's another refrigerator. That's pretty damn cool. I'm guessing this is where the utensils. Yep, we got forks. I said, yeah, we got forks, knives, spoons. Oh, that's loud. That's where the trash can is. Of course, the sink. They even left this, I'm guessing, dish detergent, which is really good. This is an AirBNB, if you're wondering, for $30, like I said, per night, 30 USD at the recording of this recording of this video. So anyhow, got pots and pans and plates. What else? Let's go and check out the bathroom really quickly. Right. And what's really important, we have that Wi-Fi, the router inside the unit, so that's good. I'm gonna guess that the internet speed is gonna be really good. So this is the bathroom. All right. Are you kidding me? It's $35 a night. That is so worth it. I don't know how now, don't forget, this is like the height of summer. Granted, the pandemic, so I don't know what this place would normally go for if there was any pandemic, but that's not my concern. I'm here now, and I'm going to live it up. Let's get the door. So this is the height of some. What is it, baby? The height. What is this called? The time of the year. This is the busy season. That's what I'm trying to say without saying too much. This shower is massive, man. I'm gonna step into the shower. Oh yeah, I'm gonna step inside. I think it's still wet in there. So the cleaners cleaned it earlier, so I'm not gonna step in there because I don't want my feet to be wet when I step out. But this is the busy season. Like on the way here, we caught one of the last trains. Like all the train tickets were pretty much sold out, as well as flights coming to Batumi. So nice floors, clean. Like look how big this place is. Like, would you please hold this? I want you to stand. We've got a table, 4 chairs, got a couch. Oh, air con. Right there. $30 a night. Are you tripping? Okay, look how far. She's like across the room. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, so here's a big thing. I'm gonna go out on the balcony, but not yet. I'm gonna hit you with the room. Here is a true 1-bedroom. There's actually a door, folks. It's a 1-bedroom. Oh, big ass screen TV. That's one of 2 television. Okay, and now we're gonna go into the bedroom. I'm 6 minutes into this video tour, but it's so worth it. We have an air con in the room. Is that normal? Air con in the living room and an air con in the room? No.
Tbilisi only has 1.
Yeah, our condo in Tbilisi only has 1 air con, and it's in the living room. So that's more common than what we have here. Okay, so this is our view. I'm gonna go out on the balcony, right? And I'm in the bedroom. Hello again.
Hello.
Alright, let's hop out on the balcony from, right? This is like what I am going to wake up from. Let's go. I'll give you an idea. I'm gonna rest on the bed. I'm gonna wake up, and this is what I'm going to look out at. Right? This from the bedroom. Alright. So for $30 a night, I'm going ape shit because I would say there are many places, many's different. I'm trying to get the door open if you're wondering what's going on. Let's remove this curtain. Wait, folks. Wait for it. Boom. If you got dizzy, I understand. I would too. But now we're going outside. Got the door open. So I was saying that I lived in different parts of the U.S. and $30 a night does not get you anything remotely close like this to the height of the summer. So I'm going all the way back on the balcony. And then I'm going to hit you with the view because this is my first time. What the balcony is lacking are chairs, but it's okay. So this is our view. Alright? We are on the 26th floor. This building has 52 floors. So this is our view. Like I say, it's a little bit different from the last AirBNB that we just checked out of today. We were there for 4 days. I felt like that Airbnb had some of the most amazing views. It has to be my favorite spot in terms of views of the ocean, the city, and the mountains. But this is not bad for $30. Considering where we are located, what they're doing is they're building a 3rd building tower right there. There's going to be 3 Orbi towers here, but check this out. I can see the beach. More than likely, you can see the sunset. And right there, what you don't know, it's called a garage nightclub. Right there, as a part. Let me try to in that building. But I don't believe it's operational right now. But there's a nightclub downstairs. How cool is that? And there is a hotel / anyhow, $30 a night. Let's try to get inside, back inside. How do I link this? Oh, I think this should be the curtain. I know, but okay, we're trying to figure it out. We're gonna go inside. What I was saying, hon, is that the curtain, the way it's set up, it seems like the curtain is best on the other side, right? Like all the way down. Yeah. Anyhow, so I'm back in $30 a night. I will have the link to this Airbnb listing in the description. But check that out. $30 a night. We just checked in.